Okay, moving on, number 14 from the extra practice. At the local clothing store, 3 similar shirts and 4 similar jackets cost $360. And 1 shirt and 3 jackets cost $220. Find the cost of each shirt. Okay, so again, I want to overlap. So I have different items, but I want to overlap where they're the same. So these are clothing items. I'm going to call them units of clothing items. And I'm looking at the smaller one first. So 1 shirt and 3 jackets. 1 shirt and 3 jackets. Okay, 1 shirt, jackets, shirt costs $220. So I'm going to bring that back in here. I'm not sure exactly how big they should be, but I'm going to go 1 and then 3. This is going to be a clothing item of shirts, and over here it's going to be clothing item of jackets. Sometimes you have more than 2 items, and we're not going to be able to do the handles the same way, but this does clarify where I'm working. Okay. Now, that's this smaller one. That total amount there is $220. Total cost, total money for 1 shirt and 3 jackets. Okay. Now down below we have a larger amount. So we're going to still have my clothing items of shirts over here to begin with, and then we're going to get our jackets in. Okay, so 3 similar shirts. Well, that's the same here. I also have 4 jackets. So I'm going to do all of this here. That's going to be the same. But down below, I have 3 shirts and 4 jackets. Right now I only show 1 shirt and 3 jackets. I'm going to extend that out. Okay, now this is where it's going to be extra. Well, how much extra is it? I still will have to get myself 2 more shirts and 1 more jacket. Okay? Now let me take this out for a sec because I want to see the difference. I have 2 more shirts and 1 more jacket. So 1, 2, 3 shirts and 1, 2, 3, 4 jackets.
You have to help me. I don't understand these things.
Okay, apologize for the delay. So now we're looking at the bottom as a total of $360. Total money for the items on the bottom. So there's a difference, there's a gap between the total of 360 and the total of 220. Okay, there's where they're the same. This is where they're the same, and then this is where they're different. So I can see if I have a total here and a part of that is 220, my operation would be subtraction. 360 minus 220 is 140. 140 goes right here. That's the difference. Okay, now I can do a quick guess and check. You will learn algebra later on that will solve this faster, but I'm going to do a quick guess and check for my shirt and jacket, but I have it down to a manageable space. If let's see, the total is 140 for 2 shirts and a jacket, so I'm going to guess $50 for a shirt and 40 for a jacket. Let's see if that works. 50, 50, 40. That's 140. That works well, but let me see if it works over here. 50, 40, 40, 40. That adds up to be 170, and it's not matching what I need. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to bump it up. Okay, I'm going to go to 40 for a shirt and 60 for a jacket. Let's try that. 40, 40, that's 80, and then 60 for a jacket. That's 140. Let's see if I put that back in here. 40, 60, 60, and 60. So my 3 60s give me 180 for the 3 jackets, plus 40 is 220. That does work. Let me go down here and see if it works below. I now have 4 jackets. 4 times 60 is 240. I have 3 shirts is 120. Put them together and I have 360. That works. The cost of each shirt is $40. Something